If you guys do feeder meters, I mean, the king invented feet. So you want to come like 10 feet away from that red thing. Good, 15 and 16, that's perfect. That's right where I want it. So baby, I have a patient, she said she's building a house here, but I don't see any houses under construction.
This is an empty lot right here where that dock is.
Maybe that's where they're building?
Looks like it.
And you know what, that might be it. Oh, but she said come and stop by and say hi. I don't know, just a patient one that said she's building a house on. She said it's like
any port in the storm, buddy.
So I don't want to make you nervous. Okay, so now you're going to turn to the right a little bit. That's perfect. So you want to stay on the right lane so that these boats can pass on our left. Look at the rear view mirror and see the giant boat that's coming behind us. It's his problem. He needs to wait for us. He thinks this is a no-wake zone, which means we're not supposed to really throw up any water behind us. And we're actually going a little fast. Because that guy regularly... How's the depth? What's our depth? 10. So if it gets below 10, you're better off going a little bit towards the middle.
Miss Daisy driving.
So you want to go a little bit. I'm watching you. You're not going to get in any trouble. See how it gets a little bit deeper? Good. Now you can straighten out a little bit.
Oh, they're going out.
Now you see those giant boats ahead on our
You're
left?
going the wrong way.
So that's the little channel that we're going to be going into. So we're going to hang a left. That's that channel.
You're going the wrong way.
Maybe they have a dock.
You're doing great. Mom, that's 11 feet.
What?
You're going 11 feet. We're going 15,
What?
17. That's perfect.
No. He's us on Shrimp Creek.
So that's what.
So listen up, Daisy. There could be a boat coming out, turning right, going up where we were.
Not more.
So you wouldn't want to cut him off. So you're going to go straight, and then when we get ready to make our left turn, we're just going to look around in all different directions and make sure that we're not cutting anybody off or anything. You know what I mean? A boat coming from behind is supposed to give you the right of way, but you can't always trust that.
No, Tom and I are
And I didn't shoot to the moon either. It's not all attack on the block. Oh yeah, it's still gorgeous. We still have a lot of room. We would.
Can I pull my motor? Can I get a motor?
So when we get in this one, we want to remain kind of on the right side of the road, you know? So
like
towards pretty
Jason
close,
bought,
like 15, 20 feet away from those giant
And I was
boats.
like, can I get my motor home on there? We can live right there.
This yacht is cocky. USC.
Yeah, lady.
City Gigi.
Oh no, a woman driver!
Hey guys, look at this yacht. It says Cocky on the back. Go Cox.
Woo! Go Cox!
It says what?
Okay, babe, you're doing excellent. So I remember what I said about staying somewhat close to these yachts, because I bet you that this big boat behind us is going to pass us. And so we're just going to let him do that. So why don't you bring the throttle back to about 10 now. Start turning left. Beautiful. Do you see that green jet ski up ahead? Through Davis, past Davis? There's a green, you might stand up for a moment. Davis, get down. Okay, so that's where we're going in there. We're going to turn right in there. So you want to stay to the right. Here these, get nice and close to these guys. We want to stay out of this guy's way, and then this guy probably wants to pass us. But that's really his problem. He wants to pass us.
Davis, do it.
And he's gone. Look at that. See, don't go
So you don't want to come, you want to come close to the back of this boat, but not too close. So that jet ski, you know, that jet ski is taking up the whole dock.
Let me move it.
For no good reason. I mean, he could be parked 100 different places. Throttle back, come back to neutral, all the way back until it stops. That's it. Actually, you're in reverse, but that's good. Stay. Give it a little more reverse because you don't want to bump into this boat. A little more reverse. Little. Okay. back up to the middle. Go back up to neutral. Okay, now just dangle here. All the way up to this. See how it jiggles there a little bit? You see how that's kind of like, now the propellers like aren't even spinning. Oh, did he move it?
No, it's right there.
I thought it was, okay, let me take it. You did good, girl. You did good.
I'll jump on and move.
I thought he was